Hi students, I hope you are all safe at home. Today we are going to see a very important topic in 10th standard English grammar, voice. First you must know what is voice. Voice is a form of verb which shows the relations of the subject to the action of the verb. Voice can be divided into two types, that is active voice and passive voice. First you must know what is active voice. See, when the subject of the verb in the sentence perform the action is called active voice. For example, Kishore writes a letter. Here Kishore performed the action writes. So it is an active voice. Now we are going to see about passive voice. What is passive voice? When the subject of the verb in a sentence receive the action is called passive voice. For example, a letter is written by Kishore. So here letter, the subject, receive the action of the verb is written. So we can see active voice and passive voice. Now there are 6 rules in the active voice to change into passive voice. See, first one, a sentence can be divided into subject, verb and object. For example, Ravi kicked the ball. Here Ravi subject, kick verb, the ball object. So first you must separate the sentence into subject, verb and object. This is the first rule. What is the second rule? The subject takes the place of the object and the object takes the place of the subject. For example, here you have, see, for example, Kishore writes a letter. So here Kishore subject, writes verb, a letter object. So a letter must, that means object takes the place of the subject and subject takes the place of the object. This is the second rule. The third, what is the third one? The tense of the sentence does not change. Only the forms changes. There are 12 forms of sentence. What are they? They are present tense, present perfect tense, present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense, past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. But in active voice and passive voice, we can use only 8 forms. The remaining 4 forms are not used. That is present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense and future continuous. Next, fourth rule. The third form of the verb is used. What are the third form? Third form is V3, past participle. That means write, wrote, written. So written is a past participle, like that. Drink, drank, drunk. So here drunk is a past participle. So we must use the third form of the verb. The fifth rules, preposition by must be added. Preposition by must be added. Next one, sixth one. The pronouns are changed as shown below. For example, I become me, you become you, she become her, they become them, we become us, he become him, it become it. So next we are going to see the change of verbs. Okay. Next we are going to see change of verbs from active voice to passive voice. See, in sentence, simple present tense. In active voice, simple present tense, that means V1/V1 plus S, that means write, writes. In passive voice, you must change into am/is/are plus V3, that is is written or are written. The next one, if the active voice in past tense, that means V2. V2 means past tense, that is wrote. In passive voice, it must be changed into was/were plus V3. That means was written, were written. Like that in simple future. Simple future means in active voice, the simple future shall slash will plus V1. That means will write, will keep. That is the future. If the active voice in future tense means in passive voice you must change as shall slash will plus be plus V3. That means will be returned. Next we are going to see the present continuous. If the active voice in present continuous means, that means am slash is slash are plus verb plus ing. That means is writing or writing. That is in active voice. When you are changed into passive voice, the rules is am plus being plus V3. That means she is being written a letter. That means written. So V3 being, you must add being. Next, past continuous tense. See, in past continuous, active voice in past continuous, that means was slash were plus we plus ing. That means was writing. Was writing is a past continuous tense in active voice. If you in passive voice, the rules is was slash were plus being plus V3. That means was being written. Was being written. Next one is present perfect tense. In present, active voice in present perfect. For example, I have finished my work. So there is a has written. I have written the subject, like that. So in passive voice, it's my change has slash have plus been plus V3. That means has been written. Now next one, past perfect. In active voice in past perfect, that means had plus V3. That means had written. In passive voice you must change into had plus been plus V3. That means had been written. Next, future perfect. In future perfect, active voice in future perfect means will slash shall plus have plus V3. So this is the format of the active voice in future perfect. That means will have written. Will have written. In passive voice it becomes will slash shall plus have plus been plus V3. That means will have been written. These are the rules. You must change into active voice to passive voice. How to change? Okay students, now we will see the changes in tense voice. First one, simple present. What is the format for the simple present? Is slash am slash are plus V3. So here you have one example. Ravi draws a picture. Ravi draws a picture. Here Ravi subject, draws verb, a picture object. Now you must change into passive voice. So what is the format for the passive voice? A picture is drawn by Ravi. See here, Ravi draws a picture. Ravi subject, draw verb, a picture object. So first you must separate the sentence. Subject, verb, object. Now you must change into a picture. Object become a subject and subject become a object. So first you must see a picture, the subject, the object is in singular form. So the verb also in singular. So a picture is drawn by Ravi. Next example, the boy kicked the ball. The boy kicked the ball. Same things. See, the boy subject, kick verb, the ball object. So you must bring object becomes subject, subject become object. So the ball is kicked by the boy. See here, the subject, the ball is singular, so the verb also you must use singular, and we use the V3, then preposition by, then the subject, the boy. This is the simple present tense. Next we will see simple past tense. So simple past tense format is was / were plus V3. Now Kishore, example, this is our example. Kishore wrote a letter. So here Kishore subject, wrote verb, a letter object. So here the verb is in past tense. So the helping verb also must be past tense. So a letter. So how to change? A letter was, because a letter is a singular, so was, a letter was V3, return, a letter was written by Kishore. So I think all of you understand it. Any doubt in this? Next one. Ravi draws a picture. So here Ravi subject, draw, not draw, drew. Ravi drew a picture. So a picture was drawn by Ravi. If you know the rules, it is very easy to change into active voice to passive voice. So you must all study the rules very well. Then only you can change it correctly. Next one, we will see simple future. What is the format of the simple future? Will / shall plus be plus V3. So Kishore will bring water. Here Kishore subject, will bring verb, water object. This is in simple future tense. You must change into passive voice. So what is the format of the passive voice? Here you have will / shall plus be plus V3. So how does it? So what is the answer? Water will be brought. Water will be brought by Kishore. By Kishore. So this is the simple future tense. First, next example, my father will buy clothes. My father will buy clothes. So clothes will be bought my father. So we see simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Next we are going to see present continuous tense. What is the format of the present continuous tense in passive voice? Is / am / are plus being plus V3. So I am writing a letter. Here I is subject, am writing verb, a letter object. Now you must change into passive voice. So what is the answer? A letter is being written. A letter is being written by me. Like that. The girls are reading a book. The girls are reading a book. So here the girl subject, are reading verb, a book object. So it is a present continuous tense. So what is the format? A book is being read by the girls. See, a book is being read by the girls. Now we see the past continuous tense. So what is the past continuous tense format? Was slash were plus being plus V3. See here example. The driver was driving a car. The driver was driving. So the driver subject was driving verb a car. So what is the format for this? A car was being driven by the driver. Next, Deva was listening the stories. So Deva subject was listening verb the stories object. So it is in past continuous tense. So here also the same thing. The stories was being listened by Deva. So how to change? The stories are. Why we write here are? Because the story is in plural form. So you must use the verb also in plural form. So the stories are being listened by Deva. The next sixth one, present perfect tense. Now we are seeing the present perfect tense. What is the format of the present perfect tense? Has slash have plus been plus V3. See, Ram has drawn a picture. So this is a present perfect tense. It is in active voice. You must change into passive voice. So what is the answer? A picture has been drawn by Ram. So this is the format of the passive voice in present perfect tense. Another example, see, Kishore has killed the snake. Same thing here also. The Kishore subject has killed verb, the snake object. So it is in present perfect tense. So you must change into passive voice. So what is the format? The snake has been killed by Kishore. So this is the present perfect tense. Okay. Next, past perfect tense. See, what is the format for the past perfect tense? Had plus been plus V3. Now you must change. See, this is the example. The police had caught the thief. So here the police subject had caught verb, the thief object. Now what is the format for the passive voice? Had plus been plus V3. So the answer is the thief had been caught by the police. So the thief had been caught by the police. Next, she had written a letter. Same voice. So how? A letter had been written by her. Here she become her. See? A letter had been written by. The format for the future perfect tense in passive voice: will plus have plus been plus V3. So now change. My aunt will have prepared breakfast. So now you must change into future perfect in passive voice. So what is the answer? Breakfast will have been prepared by my aunt. So 8 forms of tense we finished. I hope you all understand the subject. Thank you students. Have a nice day.